हरिवंश पुराण हरिनाम संकीर्तन हरिवीण सौजन्य निळे काही हरिवीण सौजन्य निळे काही हरिवीण सौजन्य निळे काही तया नराला धले वैकुंठ जोडले सकळ ही घडले तीर्थाटन सकळ ही घडले तीर्थाटन सकळ ही घडले तीर्थाटन मनोमार्गे गेला तो तेथे मुकला हरी पाठी स्थिरावला तोची धन्य हरी पाठी स्थिरावला तोची धन्य हरी पाठी स्थिरावला तोची धन्य ज्ञानदेवा गोडी हरिनामाची जोडी ज्ञानदेवा गोडी हरिनामाची जोडी ज्ञानदेवा गोडी हरिनामाची जोडी रामकृष्णी आवडी सर्व काळ रामकृष्णी आवडी सर्व काळ रामकृष्णी आवडी सर्व काळ
In the first two stanzas of this Abhang, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj praises the different paths of chanting Sri Hari's name. He says that one who reads the Harivamsh Purana performs genuine Harinam Kirtan and knows no one else as dear as Sri Hari, attains the true benefit and reaches Vaikuntha. And through these various paths of Sri Hari's Kirtan, many sacred pilgrimages unfold for that person. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says that one who follows their naturally restless mind and flows with their whims misses out on these benefits due to not performing Sri Hari's Nama Sankirtan. Therefore, only one who becomes steadfast in Sri Hari's Kirtan is truly fortunate. In the final stanza, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, quote, I have a fondness for the company of Sri Hari's name, and my natural inclination is to constantly chant the names of Rama and Krishna. Unquote. Therefore, chant Sri Hari's name all the time. Hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari.